Credit dignitaries, a wonderful audience of Hyderabad and my team member. It's really privilege and honor for us to participate such an event after a 1.5 year long. It really gives us enthusiasm and boost to overall business atmosphere in India to participate such a wonderful program by Credite and really boosting of our overall motivation to reach to our customer also. I really appreciate, first of all, a Credite team member of Hyderabad, a board member and dignitaries, just to organize with a full faith and confidence in themselves also, in the brands also, and really Hyderabad audience response also. I would like to start a Panasonic Homes and Living Department, some introduction to you, all of you. We are very much aware about a Panasonic Corporation is a global organization existing since 102 years in the world. We represent more than 150 countries right now with our complete product solutions. With this Homes and Living Department, which is the second largest department of Panasonic, started 3 years back in India, and right now a fastest moving department and organization in the country. Panasonic Homes and Living Department represent multiple products like modular kitchens, wooden flooring, exterior cladding, molded bathrooms. So major interior innovative solutions we provide on this platform. Right now, 1958 we started this division. It's a 62 years old division right now, representing more than 800 products on a global platform. Panasonic Modular Kitchens is from 2019 is one of the world's largest modular kitchen brand in the world, supplying 3 lakhs units a year. Except this, we have multiple bathroom solutions, interior wooden flooring solutions, living room solutions, which we're going to be represent down the line 4 years. It's really great journey what we start with this event, and I'm very happy to participate with such a program which gives us a good platform to make a direct connect, because we are originally consumer solution provide brand. Once they experience the product, they will be having a confidence in the product, and such a platform really gives us a connect to be with the client also. Many products we have displayed here, and down the line we are launching another 25 products in this year. And I'm very much thankful to the complete Credite team and board members just to provide this opportunity. Thank you so much. With this complete program, I really want to take opportunity to utilize this platform to launch our 2 upcoming great product solutions to individuals' life. So I request, first of all, for this opportunity to utilize, I would request a Credite body members to be on the stage. President sir and General Secretary sir, Ramakrishna sir and Rajsekhar sir, with a complete body member to be on the stage to represent and unveil this product, and gives us to honor to launch this product to the Pan-India platform. I request all dignitaries please to be on the stage.
Kindly join us on the stage, please.
Please, a round applause for all the dignitaries on the stage to provide us such a wonderful platform. We'll wait for a screen, and just then I request to all of you to unveil this product. Please.
Let's begin with the countdown.
Let's begin with the countdown, please.
Here comes the moment.
Please, please unveil the product, sir. Subin sir, please. Thank you. Thank you. Have a round of applause for the product, please.
Can we have a big round of applause, please?
I'll just have it. Sorry.
A very exciting product.
So I just want you to unveil the product, please, sir. Please open it. please, sir. The smartest solution for a shoe rack, which is, I think so, which is a time where people really hold multiple pairs of shoes, which can hold more than 54 pairs, complete revolving, fit in a small space, very unique solution, water wash, according to Indian customer requirement, and unique, you can change the stairs also according to size of your shoes, which can fit in your wardrobe also. Very reasonable according to the Indian consumers. It is a 30,000 cycle you can rotate, and we give a 10 years of warranty with this product of a replacement. So unique product, and thank you so much providing us a platform to launch this product. Thank you, sir. Thank you. One of the finest series which Panasonic carrying since many years, which we utilizing this platform to launch our second big launch for India, our Italian wardrobe series called Casa Vita.
The countdown begins. 2 and 1. Here we go.
complete Italian wardrobe series made by Marine Plywood with the Glass series. This is the only wardrobe series which provided 2 years protection or warranty against termite also. This product is specially coated with a termite chemical and really user-friendly and provides many of the features which individual want. So it is a Casa Vita. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for providing opportunity for this platform. Once again, thank you.